Welcome to Questions from the Street. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is both a reality and a mystery to some of us. In this video, we will answer some of the questions you might have. What is an industrial revolution? What is the Fourth Industrial Revolution? Are industrial revolutions and globalization the same thing? How does the Fourth Industrial Revolution affect me? An industrial revolution is characterized by structural changes in manufacturing and services delivery processes. These structural changes are driven by advances in technology. Industrial technology embraces the harnessing of natural resources, from the first steam-driven machinery, through the use of water, then the production of oil. This was followed by the use of nuclear energy. The progressive growth in power resources has given rise to factories where the assembly line gave birth to mass production. Advances in information and communication technology were precipitated by the advent of the humble telephone and gramophone, leading to building more complex circuit boards. These boards populate all things electronic, and they serve to enhance the computational power of most things that we can see or touch. Knowledge technologies represent not merely a prolongation of the Third Industrial Revolution, but rather the arrival of a fourth and distinct one: velocity, scope, and systems impact. The speed of current breakthroughs has no historical precedent. When compared with previous industrial revolutions, the fourth is evolving at an exponential rather than a linear pace. Moreover, it is disrupting almost every industry in every country. To date, there have been 4 industrial revolutions. In this series we observe transition period, energy resource, main technical achievement, main developed industries, and the transport means of each revolution. The first industrial revolution started in 1760 with the invention of the steam engine. The steam engine allowed the transition from farming and feudal society to the new manufacturing process. This transition included the use of coal as the main energy, while trains were the main means of transportation. Textile and steel were the dominant industries in terms of employment, value of output, and capital invested. The Second Industrial Revolution began in 1900 with the invention of the internal combustion engine. Rapid industrialization followed this invention, using oil and electricity to power the resulting mass production. In addition to the train, the car became an additional mode of transport. The Third Industrial Revolution started in 1960 and was characterized by the introduction of electronics and information technology to automate production. During this period, the functionality of information technology began to drive innovation at an unprecedented rate. In addition to the train and the car, the aeroplane took its place as an additional mode of transport. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is building on the third, the digital revolution, that has been occurring since the middle of the last century. It is characterized by a fusion of technologies that is blurring the lines between the physical, digital, and biological spheres. In the next video we will explore 2 issues. Responding to the question whether globalization and the Industrial Revolution are the same thing, we unpack the characteristics of globalization: political, social, and economic, with a view to looking for a cause and effect relationship with the known industrial revolutions. Question: Will the fourth industrial revolution affect me? Well, jobs will be disrupted, the Internet of Things will become ever more pervasive, and personal space will be invaded. Can we adapt to learning new skills? Accept the increasing autonomy of computers? And tolerate the invasion of personal privacy?